Welcome back to another episode of Follow the Money. My name is Joshua Bellinger, and EV Mania, electric vehicle mania, continues to heat up. We saw a bit of a pullback, but now we're seeing more positioning, short-term positioning, especially in this specific name. It's a Robinhood favorite, so let me show you. Let's take a look here at NEO. NEO, INC, it's an ADR. It's a Robinhood favorite. It's been a hot stock for 2020. And just recently here, it pulled back, and then today we had a big move higher, back hitting new 52-week highs. And it doesn't look like it's going to stop here. It doesn't look like it's going to stop at 21.12. Now, these are very volatile stocks, but what I saw today with our algorithm is we saw positioning in the option market looking for more upside in this name. So it's a stock that you're going to want to actively manage profits, actively trade, because again, we can go from 18 to 21 in a day. $2 on a $21 stock is a phenomenal trading range back and forth. But again, it's a range. You want to trade that range, not trade this for an investment. So let's take a look here at the option market. As I said, 1.3 million calls traded against 252,000 puts. So this activity overall, with the overall volume of 1.6, the call volume specifically, 200% increase than the typical. And what we saw here is the positioning specifically in the October contract that expires in 17 days here. So the activity that stood out to me was in this 23 strike here. We had seen some activity in the 22 where the 22 was being sold. I don't know, we'll see tomorrow if some of that was a roll-up, meaning that they sold these 22s and rolled them up to this 25. Either way, 25 on this seems very crazy, but we've seen some crazy things in 2020. One way, when all this bullish activity and this positioning here, 17 days is a decent amount of time for that trading range. But if this was something I would look to do, and specifically position-wise, I would use a spread here. And the spread I would probably look to play would be something exactly here at the 22, 24. Selling or buying the 22 call here and selling the 24 call there. So it looks to be about a 60-cent debit. So you pay 60 cents and you have a profit opportunity of $1.40 overall. $2 for the spread minus what you paid is what the profit potential. Sure, we could see it go higher, but one thing to keep in mind here is if you're playing short term, you have theta kicking in here. You have the time decay eating away. So that would be something, or if you're looking to look to something out further, we see some activity here. This is I love looking at the option chain because here we can look at options and we look at the volume and open interest. We can start to piece things together. You could look even in something in November, but to me, this is a trading stock, meaning that this is hot right now, and we've seen it fizzle out. Right now, it's hot. That's why I look in October. Best play that I have, 22-24 call spread. Talk to you soon.